Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Well, I am here with an unboxing for Kokorosa Studios, and I will leave their link down below. Please go check them out. And I also have a coupon code that I will leave down below that if you would like to order, it would save you some money, and I would truly appreciate that. So let me show you what I picked for my project shares that I'm going to do. The first one that I picked I thought would be perfect for Easter, since Easter is coming up. And this is a cross and heart die. You get 2 dies. Look at this beautiful heart and this gorgeous cross. Would that not make a beautiful, beautiful card? The heart is right at, well, 3 inches wide and 3 1/8 inches tall. And then the beautiful cross is, let's see, looks like it's right at 3 inches tall and 1 1/2 inches wide. Is that not beautiful? And you could use them separately or together, but I thought that would be gorgeous for Easter. So that is the cross and heart dies. And look at this adorable, this is called the Delicious Chocolate Die. And it's like a Hershey Kiss. And I think this would be so fun. I want you to look how cute this is. I like their packaging. Come on. Well, there we go. Look how cute this is. It's a good size Hershey Kiss. Num, 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 num. And the kiss is 2 3/8 inches wide, and it's going to be almost 2 1/4 inches tall. And then here's the little banner, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. How stinking cute is that? So that would be perfect if you're doing those last minute Valentine's Day cards. So that is the Delicious Chocolate Die. And I thought this one would be perfect too for Easter or anything, for an encouragement card, anything. This is it's an I Love God card, and it's LOVE and then GOD. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So I'm excited to play with that one. And this is the Love Background Board Die. And this one would be cute because you could use this as a background or use these as cutouts. So I think this one right here, this is going to cut into your paper. I mean, it'll cut out here, but it's not going to cut the square. So just keep in mind that this will cut into the paper. Isn't that beautiful? This is a good size die. Little over 4 inches by 3 3/4. Nice, nice, nice. And look how cute this is. This is called the Love Letter Die. And let's get this out and look at it. Come on. Look how cute. So you get this letter die, and you get this big old heart that you can put in the letter. So the letter is the envelope is actually 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. Perfect for 3 by 3 cards, guys. And then the heart is 2 by 1 1/2. Perfect. Perfect 3 by 3 cards. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do with that. And then here is a beautiful script love die. It's a love word die. And okay, look, perfect size. Look at that. Ooh, Ooh, I think that would be perfect on that, don't you think? Love, So this one is 2 3/4 inches wide and right at 1.5 or 1 3/4 inches tall. Excuse me. So that would be perfect, and it's a perfect size. How cute. You can tell my mind's already going crazy. And this die set, it says it's the So Sweet and You Are So Adorable word dies. And let's get in here, maybe baby. And let me open this. And these would be cute, so adorable, and you are so adorable, and then so sweet. Looky there. See how perfect this would go on this envelope? Yeah. These would be perfect 3x3 cards with this envelope and these dies. So stay tuned, because like the largest one is 3 by 1 1/4, and then the So Sweet is 2.5 by right at 7/8. So see, I can't wait to, I'm going to play with those, absolutely. And this one I'm super excited about, because I think this would be perfect for my steampunk and vintage product or projects. This is a magnifying glass. So yeah, so what you could do, you cut that out in foil paper. I've done thought about this. Cut this out in foil paper, and then put like a acetate on the back, or some kind of, clear paper that makes it look, I just think it would be so fun. So, and you can even just use the circle die. It's like 2.5 by 2.5. You could use that for your artist trading coins too, so it would be multi-purpose. And then there is the handle. Is that not gorgeous? The handle's going to be a little over 2 3/8, and it's going to be 5/8 wide. So this is going to be fun. Fun. So thank you, Kokorosa Studios. I truly, truly appreciate this, and super excited to get started. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.